ladies and gentlemen. Fuck off. So, whatever. So, we are going to do this, and if I am basically designing the, or like testing out the, whatever is this, bushing. So, I have assembled the thing for the thumbnail, but what I will do is that I will take this off for now. We do not need the ring gear. Fuck. Nor this. What I will need is these two pieces, and I will need to. I'm going to cry. Oh, God fucking damn it. I will need a screwdriver. So I will, yeah. Whatever, fine. First, we will calculate out what the length is. So we have a 22 long, 22 millimeter diameter of bushing space. How long should we cut the PTFE tubing if it's opened along the circumference and then wrapped around the shaft. How whatever, we can 22 times speed, I think that's the, so it's 70 millimeters basically. Yeah. Flush fit. Great snow. A cut of 69, nice. 0.12 millimeter ensures the end of the PTFE meet without a significant gap when pressed against the outer wall of the 20 millimeter thickness. If the PTFE tubing is very thick, the inner diameter of the liner will be significantly smaller. Yes. Intended to stay against the bushing wall, the outer circumference is standard measurement for the cut length. Yes. Slightly shorter to allow expansion without buckling. Yeah, that might be the case, but we can always cut from the longer PTFE tubes rather than. So what we will need is we have too many things opened. So we know that it's supposed to be 69, so about 70 millimeters. Now we should have this PTFE Teflon tubing, and we should cut the 70 millimeters. To be pretty straight compared to the big shit it was. Alright. Put that here. This is a big piece of piping. Smear. No. Teflon. So we should cut it up and then we should roll it, or I wouldn't say roll it. Okay. Never wants to go the way I want to. Whatever. Not the best in terms of alignment, but we will have. Oh, we have the beauty of that this is about 8 millimeters, or how long thick, or in diameter. So basically we have the glory that we might be able to cut 2 bushings from this shit, because 8 by P is 18 millimeters ish, so we have about 2 worth, but maybe I'm just going to leave it with 1. It's an 8 to open this shit. Yes, cut me, fuck. Fucking bitch. Fuck you, honestly. This fucking shit. Other side. Wants to just come off of this shit. Fucking annoying piece of garbage. Fuck. How the fuck are we going to open this garbage ass? This might have a better fit. I'm gonna rust the fucking pliers. Like my blood. God fucking damn it. Gonna put some betadine on this bitch ass. Gonna come back. At least I'm just going to select this shit. Whatever. Blood, gore, and sexual behavior. fact is that I didn't even find the betadine, so I took some brew whatever. The question is that if I even could put in the screws, but I don't have any, because I don't have the bag of screws here again. Nothing works. Besides, yes. So I will take this out, put the screws into it, then if I come back I will have 2 screws, then I will be able to put them in and out, and then I will be able to flatten the shit with some sort of, I don't know what, and then put it in. ready, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, of course, of course. The viewers come when I'm not here. Fuck! Whatever. So, we have this lovely machine. Yoink. Oh, fuck me. There's no space. Can't open. Too tight. Somehow, this is going to be a fucking 8. It's never easy. No. Nobody said it was going to be easy. But they didn't say it was just going to be hard. Whatever. It's going to be this order either. I have to. How the fuck are we going to think like so? So basically, you take half of this shit, if I could, put him in, somehow close him. Oh, banger music. Unfortunately, can't listen to it because it's copyrighted. Fuck you, man. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's this. Maybe it's a bit too long in it. Yeah, it's a bit too long in it. Need to cut a bit off. I'd say about 2 millimeters ish. Maybe this is a bit more than 2 mils. Come on, for fuck's sake. I think I am bleeding again. Not because I cut myself, but because the fucking cut is getting open as I'm forcing my finger. Remove. Yeah, fuck off, bitch. Okay, maybe. Don't have too high hopes. So. This is annoying as fuck. Come on. I mean, technically we could have done this way. But then it's not going to stick into this shit, is it? Fuck you. This is fucking it. Finally. Come on. Great. Are we? No, no, not yet, because it wants to break the whole thing apart. Patience. Besides, why the fuck don't you want to? Alright. It would be nice to have more room. Maybe a bit. Fucking hell. Still need to cut away from it, or here it's good, here it's not so. Please, for the love of fucking God. So 70 minus this. Fucking hell. Get him. Get him out. This is straight. This is straight as well. I'm going to cut this bitch again. I'm gonna cut like this much, not too much, just like 5 mils, something like that. Yeah, on the edge I should have left a bit more juice. Juicy, juicy. It's a figure speech. Fuck off. Oopsie. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, pointy. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. What do we have? This. Okay. Go on to the thing, please. I mean, think this is going to be alright, a bit tight, but it's.
Te itt vagy, akkor miért kint a villany az udvaron? Azt mondom.
fuck. So, not this one. Dude, annoying piece of shit. You know what? Fuck it. Let's go with best of one. Let's go. Had enough. So, continuing this lovely experience, I would say if we put a bit of oil or lubricants onto it, I would like to say this. So if we put a bit of lubricant onto this piece of garbage, then I think it will do fine. Need to cut this. I don't think the Teflon is going to go anywhere, because this is tight as fuck. I'm going to mark it up along the center, and then we will have both of the, and we will need still one. Yeah. So need to take this apart. It's a fucking annoying piece of garbage. Alright, mark along the. This will be a very fine, lovely. Fuck off. Yeah, this is why when you cut it not next to the brim and have this banana shape, then I suppose that's not the best. Not the best. Fucking hell. At top and bottom, let's see. So we have a 18 millimeters ish of material. That means we need to, or is it 22? So at 11, which is just here. Endless. Teflon, sleeping piece of garbage. Fuck you. What a bitch. Okay. Sorry. Just getting fucking tilted. Annoyed, I would say. So I'm actually this is a piece of Teflon tube, this big tube, and cut open into a segment that I basically put into. Now I'm just testing out the bushing, which is basically, if you are interested, I'm going to take this shit. Of course, not the right window. Sorry. Sorry. I mean, yeah. Honestly, just a fucking. Why? This is a fucking. Alright, let me know. Fine. Everything is here. What a fucking garbage this is, man. A piece of shit on the square. I can't mark. And this is so fun. No, just kidding. It isn't. This is 8, honestly. Yeah, I'd say cut it on the half. throw the tissue paper. Food starting very strong. You're mine. Might be a bit, how do you call this, banana toroid barrel shape. I don't really give two fucks about it. If you even have 5 millimeters of this sliding piece of shit, then you are great. Yeah, got to be banana as fuck. I mean, how? Yeah, doesn't really matter, does it? So if we take this garbage, then we put it in, fold it aside, fold this side as well. Please stay there. Alright. Oh, here we see. Fine. Please stay in the fucking place. If you want to play like so, then let's play like so. I don't understand. Maybe the other way around. Yeah, maybe it's supposed to be that way. Whatever. Besides this spins. What I am interested in is that will it come out? Oh, other than just putting what a great experience, by the way. I'm maybe just going to cut them into one length and then leave the fuck. It works. Technically we have these clips on. You can put them here. Of course. Just getting fucking pissed off. doesn't work, of course. Will you fucking go on? Why is this so fucking difficult to... Oh, because of this fucker here. Understand now. Alright. Then I remove this annoying piece of shit. Thank God. Alright, so to speak. This is too thick, honestly. That's what she said, I guess. Cut a smaller piece. Let's see. A solid 2mm one will suffice. Great, maybe I should not. Oh, lovely, I can't cut up straight. I'm going to bother. I'm pissed off. this is fucking madness. Put you onto here and then put this bitch onto you. Fucking madness. Oh, oopsie. It's a bit... This is super light. What's up with this? Maybe it's not that tight on the... And maybe it's not this tight on the thing here. Yeah, this is light. This is tight. I don't know why. Maybe the piece of pipe is not the best here. Pretty annoying. Whatever. Yeah, I should have cut a better Teflon ring there. I mean, technically it's not that difficult to spin, though one bad thing is that this fucker just wants to fall down, but I suppose they spin pretty nicely. I have nothing to say. They don't really buy me, so pretty happy with it. We have to, so these Teflon rings are there. Yes, the end cap will need to be there as well, because this one wanted to spin off. Just fine. If we're going to have the Teflon, then no worries. So yeah, going to print the end caps right now to see where to put, how to put it, all that kind of shit. And then it's going to be nice. Though it might will need to put some lube in there so it will have a better overall thing, because this is pretty, like, it has we'll need the big ring, and then we will have the problem spinning them. So if we put the big ring somehow on, it's a bit tight, so it's hard to push on. So if this would not fall off, now it's actually pretty, I don't know why. So if it can wiggle a bit, then it's going to be a lot, like here it is pretty like light, basically. And when it goes, yeah, we'll need to cut out the elephant foot from the bottom, because it is really making the life difficult, because here you can see that basically has no, I mean here it is pretty tight, pretty hard to span, like, so to speak. If I take this lower, so here, fuck off. Fuck. So, again, falling. Yeah, it's that light that it wants to fall off. So basically, if you put it too high up, then if you put it too low, then it wants to fall off. So yeah, this is this so to speak, light. Well, that's not a problem, I suppose. Alright, fine. So I have assembled this and put the rings. Where the fuck is the camera? So, not here. So that in between the face, I mean I can take it off. So here, this is this little clip here, Teflon, this is the big bushing, and this is this clip here, this smaller one is sits against the face, so that it basically does not allow the thing to push into the face of this. This way it is, I'd say, pretty light. yeah. So what we will need is we will need to what? Can I take him out a bit? So that, let's say like so. It's pretty fine. Testing for like misalignment, but it looks pretty solid in terms of rolling. So yeah, I'm just testing out the axial support bushings, so to speak, and holders. I will need to cut this down, and now I will just hop into solid 8s and a little bit of fine alignment. Oxiding, no. Where the fuck is the Planetary? So, making a bit of touch up. So this is the model. This will be the house that holds them. So basically we have now one ring, 2 carriers, and the 2 sets of Planetary already. Planetary planet gears printed. These will need to be cleaned, and what I will need to do now is that this is trash. So I have already made this test bushing. It's pretty nice. Ow. It's a bit tight. Maybe I should make it a bit less tight, I suppose. But if I add a lot of grease, then it will, I think, be fine. We'll need to change or like do some finalization on that. I'm gonna open this. This is the end pin that holds basically the gears in place, so they don't want to fall this way down. So we might not even need this rim here, because as I've seen, it doesn't really need the thing. It will not fall off, so we don't even need this. Although it might help. So this is 10, which is bullshit, because this 20mm is just this. I'm sorry, not going to work. How long? So this is the shaft. This is fine, 7, and an additional an additional 1mm is the Teflon, and we have to put it onto that. So even 1mm from here. So here we would have to go 2, and even a bit more, so that we house him in. And we need to make this bigger. Add 1mm more. If I really wanted to make this, this is the 2, and let's say we give it a 0.5 still. So what a great experience. Fuck off. So here the end of this can sit, and then it can sit on top of that. And maybe I will have to cut longer pieces of Teflon. I mean, I have some material, so no problem. So this plus 2, yes, and a half. Okay. All right. Save and like. Let's play this bad boy. I mean, not one. I mean, we can test with one, but I might print a lot. I think this is pretty low in terms of printing time. Skits. What is this? End pin end cap. Of course, it's the wrong direction. How much? I'll give it 25 minutes, 50 minutes. So 11 minutes plus about 7 to home and do the heating and whatever. So this is going to be done, and if the bushing is good, which I suppose it is, just need a bit of oiling. Maybe I'm just going to touch it with a bit of sanding or something later on, or hand sanding it. And then I think it's going to be fine. It's a bit meh. But I suppose if we wear him in, because you need to heat it up, you know, as you spin it up, it basically, the spin up test will like rubber and sand everything down that is not smooth enough. It will wear itself in, so to speak. It will be fine. So yeah, what I will have to do is to clean up all of this fucking 61 feet. God damn it. But I need to do it because it's going to be shit. Besides, it is like a 2-colored thing. Half. At this point, the purple material left the scene forever. So yeah, we will need the end cap test. Till that is being done, I will take the debris off of the end. Printer hot end, because there is a lot of trash on it collecting. Garbage. Whatever. So, we can close this. Yes. So we have the whole assembly. What I was thinking is that if we make this so I mean, I would probably be able to cut longer strips of Teflon. This hit a bit of out phase or out. Yeah. I need to clean this. And because this is very smooth like so. when they are not getting into the bottom part, because that's when they stuck or get stuck. So we need rings here as well. Need the shaft. Need to cut the pins as well. Thinking that maybe I'm going to I will need to cut the pins eventually, because I need 6 of them and I only have 3, because I couldn't find for some reason like the same sized fucking pins, so it's just annoying as fuck. Whatever. So the ring is 5 hours ish. Maybe I'm not even going to bother adding these hose onto it, because the house has them. If the house has them, that's fine. Ooh. Oh, please God, don't tell me that this is 15 tick. Well, I have just wasted 70 millimeters worth of Teflon tubing. Well, at least it can be reused so that we can put the... We can't even do that because it's not going to be big enough. Well, I have just shot myself in the foot. I mean, we have, but it's wasteful to fucking cut it in half when you have a lot of material, or like when basically when you have the right material. Okay, fine. We have material for the next set as well. The little rings, as well as like going to need how many? 21 centimeters ish, because I mean don't need that much. I think 60. How much is this? I cut down 5 millimeters and plus 2, so about 62, something like that. So we'll need 3 because we have... Oh no! Oh, thank you! Oh, that good. So basically we have one here that is not going to be totally wasted. Yeah. We have a middle one which is basically 10 millimeters thick, so at least that is good. Yeah. Maybe we will need to put... So I think I was thinking that I could add a bit of grease, industrial one as well, not like, you know, household lard, regular grease. So yeah, I was thinking that I could add some grease, and the grease would make it a bit more slidey, or somehow I could secure it and then spin it up with the motor. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, technically, what the fuck should we secure it to? Yeah, we will need some stand or some shit, as well as we will need to push it in. Why is this making this sound? I think because it is touching the... This is a piece of garbage, man, honestly. Come on. So fucking annoying. it isn't touching it. It's just this. For some reason, it makes this dumbass sound. I wonder if I can hold it, which might be the worst idea I've ever had. Because if I put this here, I don't think I do have the. Do you have anything that I could hold this with properly in place? I could put this onto a piece of wood. Whatever, I'm going to take this off. I'm going to fiddle around with this. So yeah, fucked around with this enough. Maybe I'm just going to come and clean the parts up. Because I can do that. Can't really do much more here. There's nothing too much to do. Other than a bit of cleaning, it will be fine for like shutdown. So we'll just clean. It's not going to be the most interesting thing I'd say, but still we'll need to do it despite how I feel. Let's go with this. First pass, go and take off the blur. Yeah. I think I'm doing pretty well with the project. Not with, I mean, with this one as well, but with the main project, which is the burner. I'm pretty happy where I am right now. I have took up the barrel. Basically, I am making a burner first of all. Second of all, now I am progressing with the house, which is basically a drum that I'm going to fire into. The burner is kind of like a pointed device that can shoot fire and is capable of now I'm just actually taking off the bottom, this dumbass elephant foot, the most annoying thing in the world. So basically the whole print starts wider at the bottom than at the top, which is, the top is the right dimension, the bottom is not. So the bottom is thicker and has the bigger diameter, which is fucking annoying because when you print precision things like gears, the gears have clearances that if you even make them half a millimeter or 1 millimeter bigger than they're supposed to be, then you basically gutter yourself out or like make it so much more harder, because the gear is going to, as they call it, bind, which is basically um, that it has a lot higher friction than it's supposed to, because they are touching at the gears where they're supposed not to. I'll take my video off. So yeah, burning on the burner, or working on the burner, and today I have worked on the house itself, which is I cleaned it up with some alkaline solution, and yeah, I have even cut out the hole for the burner to shoot into it. So I think I have done pretty well today. Yeah, I could have done more, but I was pretty tired, so I just stopped the work. Maybe the second test I should take off the... I mean, if I took this off, then I don't think I will need to take off the... I don't think so. Yeah, we need a fucking headlamp. This is annoying as hell. I can't see jack shit. At least I'm not working with black, because that has basically no fucking visible edges. So that would be even fucking worse than this. Dun, 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 dun. takes this long to fucking finish one planet up. Don't even start with the big one. This is only 21. The other is 3 times this much. What the fuck is this? How is this smashing? Smashing. Pretty good. I need to cut the fucking... I need to cut a new... solid. Even the support. Great. I'm out. Maybe I could cut one of this shit up and create this lip snap ring. Maybe it's the hole that is fucking me up. Maybe. I need to cut the... Oh, I have been able to put in the end cap. Shimmy, where are you? Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. You fucker. Should have added a chamfer to this little retard. Oh. Maybe this was all not a good idea. I think this is fine. We'll put a 2mm strip on it and let's call it good enough. Or under it. Tight as fuck. stuck as fuck. It will be fine. We need to add this 2mm slice of shit. We need to push this further in. Then we are fine. I think this will be alright. Though I don't know how I will be able to take this off because it is stuck on it now, like pretty fucking hard. So I will only add this after it is solidified. Might have to fucking hammer it away. Cut it up. Pretty happy with it. We will need to add more of these. Good. Oh fuck. Oh great, can't even. Oopsie, oopsie. I don't know if I'm squishing and fucking the gear up or I'm actually pushing this off. Because I have a strong feeling that I'm doing it former wrong rather than lateral one. Well, actually I was able to successfully take it off. Interesting. Where is the hello? So can we put this in? Yes. Okay. Looks like a this three color really would goes well. Green, white and purple. Pretty late in it. So yeah, gonna make 4 more and 2 plus 3, actually 5. So yeah, 5 more and then I'm gonna call it. Din, 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 din. Where are we? 5. Let's get in number 5. Great. An hour. Not that bad. 6 grams. Print via USB. Alright. This is done. We'll need to make these. I don't know how I'm going to create these ones. And we'll need to somehow cut 1-2 mm rings out of these. I forgot those actually, so maybe actually the little ribs, the layers of the Teflon got pressed into it. How interesting. They made little grooves. So yeah. Well, actually, so I was fiddling around with these. This is a piece of Teflon tube cut out to basically Teflon tubing cut down to size. Then I cut it into half or something, just one slit, and then I make these sleeves that fit onto the shaft and make little clips as well. So we have the sleeves, this, and we have the clip as well here on the bottom that basically doesn't allow the face of the make it right doesn't allow the face of this to sit and shim next onto this. So yeah. And so I mean, it would be if I could push it onto this garbage. Come on, man. What the fuck is up? Oh, because of the like the clip doesn't allow it to go further. Okay, I'm not going to push it further then. Lovely. So yeah, with the little end cap there, we will be able to secure them. We'll need to clean 2 more planets, and we'll need to print sun gear as well, and need to print the axial elongers, whatever we call it. I think we call it shaft extend. So is this one and this one. So these 2 shaft extend I will have to make, as well as I will have to make some Teflon rings. I will need to check tomorrow how thin can I cut these strips so that we do not create any problem. Maybe may increase the friction a lot. Though if I put grease onto it, I don't know how much the many colors is going to be. Yeah, so this was it for today. This was more of a cleanup and chilly stream rather than a quick and iterative designing from. Well, thanks for watching. If anybody watches this back, good hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Mwah. Miss Ringer is out. Goodbye.